Have you planted your tree yet? Georgia seems like a country which is full of nature and greenness when it's seen on an illustrated map, but the reality is different. We want to show you this reality. The forest coverage area has decreased by 5.6% from 2012 to 2013. From 2013 to 2014, the decrease was 18.4%. Some people ignore this fact. They see a green mountain and say that everything is great. According to a study conducted in the coniferous regions of Samtskhe Javakheti, 23,000 hectares out of 26,000 appeared to be diseased. 22% of the Borjomi Pakuriani coniferous regions are damaged and/or dried. In Imereti, in Tripoli, Chiatura and Zestafoni, the Endonethia disease has been spread to 16,000 hectares. This data only comes from the regions that have been studied. But then again, we can also ignore this fact and hope that everything is fine elsewhere. However, we won't be able to deal with these problems by ignoring them. Unfortunately, lack of information and experience leads to improper cultivation techniques in Georgia. People often use expensive saplings and plant them without understanding the environment. This results in drying and dying of 70 to 80% of the plants. Considering these issues and following the visions of Patriarch, Your Forest Foundation is implementing the cultivation process with a totally different method and scale. We acknowledge that ecosystem and agriculture are connected. This is called agroecology. The founders of Your Forest have great experience in growing forest in the desert of Turkmenistan. 90% of the cultivated forests flourished very successfully. Encompassing the entire country, 30 stations will be built throughout different regions and climate zones of Georgia. In the radius of 50 kilometers, each station will study the soils, humidity, content, and balance of the water and behavior of whole ecosystem and agrosystem. Each station will consist of a proper infrastructure where high-level international scientists will work on various matters. Georgian students will also be able to work with such great minds. Greenhouses will be built for plant farming. One of them will be used to cultivate the tree saplings, including both wild tree species and orchards. The other ones will provide agricultural seedings. The causes of diseases, infections, and the methods of their treatments will be identified and studied by the convened scientists of the leading universities from all around the world. According to this data, the special greenhouses will provide agriculture best fitted for that exact territory, climate and soil, making it more profitable for the local farmers. On the next stage, the saplings will be planted on the experimental plot of land for adaptation purposes. The saplings which will survive the existing climate and soil conditions will be planted in the nearby forests. The farmers will also use the agricultural plants. On the adjacent territory of the station, there will be a polygon where different experiments will take place in order to attain biogases and clean electricity. Being based on scientific studies and achievements, the project presents an innovative perspective to the world. The project gives the ability to overcome the forestry and climate problems not only by the local scale but also globally. Therefore, the project will play an important role in the development of ecosystems around the world. All information will form agroecological big data. This huge amount of collected information will be processed by our own high-tech software solutions. Why are we so sure? A team of doctors, professors, engineers, programmers, Israeli and Georgian financial advisors using state-of-the-art equipment ensures quality and long-run results. Are you with us?